Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous session we have discussed about water pollution, air pollution, and what are the causes and what are controlling measures, etc. In this session we are going to discuss about soil pollution. So by using the number of chemicals such as pesticides, insecticides, herbicides as well as fungicides, directly or indirectly number of compounds added to the soil. These compounds are create the pollution to the soil. So this kind of the pollution is called as soil pollution. So soil pollution is generally occurs by using four types of chemicals. One is pesticides, second one is insecticides, and third one is herbicides, and fourth one is fungicides. Now let's moving towards the first cause of soil pollution, that is nothing but pesticide. So what is the main role of pesticide? So pesticide is the substance that is used to kill or block the reproductive process of unwanted organisms. That is the main goal of pesticides. The repeated use of number of pesticides make the pest resistant to them. So as being the water soluble, that means most of the pesticides are completely water insoluble, and also these are non biodegradable, and these are high persistent toxins which are completely transferred from lower trophic level to the higher trophic level by using the food chain. That leads to the serious metabolic and physiological disorders in higher animals. Okay, this is called as pesticides. And when we observe the insecticides, so insecticides are generally used to control the insects. But when we observe the insecticides are having a number of organophosphates as well as organocarbamates. These are completely less persistent and more biodegradable than pesticides. However, they are severe nerve toxins and are harmful to the human beings. So this is the insecticides. And when we observe the third one, which is called as herbicides. Herbicides are used to kill the weeds. Weeds means waste plant materials. Each herbicide is having a number of chemicals such as sodium chloride as well as sodium arsenate, etc. So they do not any kind of decomposition in a few months. Similarly, they are less toxic to the mammals, and also they are toxic to the number of human beings, cause some birth defects also. The last one is called as fungicides. So the fungicides are used to destroy the growth of fungus. You know very well, fungus is the plant species which do not have any kind of chlorophyll. That is the meaning of fungus. Fungicides are having mainly mercury inside. So by using the fungicide as the to destroy the number of fungus, the mercury which is present in the fungicides are completely released. By using this kind of chemicals such as fungicides, herbicides, pesticides as well as insecticides, number of chemicals are completely added to the soil and make it the highly polluted soil. Okay, this is called as soil pollution. To get more interesting videos, I request you all subscribe this channel, share this video, like this video, and also comment this video. Thank you very much.